All right, y'all. So I'm cleaning out my closet, and I feel like I do this every couple years. So here we are again. Um, I have lots of notebooks. Okay, it's just been my form of therapy, I guess. Before I even knew that it was a form of therapy, but I write. I haven't written in a long time, and I think I need to get back to it. But I write and I write and I write. I write my feelings. I write my emotions. I write how I'm feeling. I write things that I can't say out loud. I write things that I can't, like express. But also, when it comes to my business, I've always wrote out what I wanted and wrote out the life that I see for myself and how I want to live. All right, so in 2009, I graduated from high school. 2010, I attended Midwest College of Cosmetology and graduated 2011. Um, from 2011 to 2015, I was just out here living, just trying to figure out what came next, what to do with my life. I was trying to do clients, couldn't really figure out, like, it was just a lot. And I ended up moving to Chicago, moving to Texas, and then I came back to Champaign to do hair full time. That was in 2015. I also hadn't took my license. So 2015, June 2015, I took my test and I passed and became a licensed cosmetologist in the state of Illinois. So when I moved back in 2015 to do hair and figure out how to do this full time, it was very hard. A lot of the people who knew me for doing hair, and the clients that I had, they either moved away or they found new stylists, or they started to do something different with their hair that I didn't do. So I had to build from the ground up. I had to figure out excuse me, who I was as a stylist, what I wanted to offer, and like everything. I had to figure everything out. And one thing I did is keep this book. Okay, it's dated 2016. In this book, I wrote down how much money I wanted to make for each month, and I wrote it out a month in advance. I wrote down how many clients I wanted to have. Like, I was adamant about, like, I need clients, and I didn't know how it was gonna happen, but I tried everything and I did everything until I got to where I am today. Um, I even did, like, me and my friend, we would go out and make flyers and post them. We went to all of the community events, handing out cards and flyers and coupons. Um, I use social media, so social media worked too, but I was just very focused on what I wanted. So even on this first page right here, can't see it, but it says 200 a day, 7 days a week is 4,200. And so that was my goal. That was my goal. Um, right here, I was doing lashes, 15 lashes, 7 people is 105. I was trying to figure out how to get to 200 a day. I needed to make 200 a day. Right here on these boxes, you see it's like 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. That was my goal. At first, it was 100 a day. Um, and this was before me having a booking site, right? So I was doing it old school, writing people's names, writing down how much their service was. uh, I even put double booked lashes, 15. I was doing singlies, twists, jumbo twists, braids, crochets, Iversons, jumbo twists. I was doing it all. But anyway, so on this page you see right here, and I know this is not good lighting, but I was keeping track of everything. This month I went to LA, but what I wrote was, every month is a successful month. I make money every day. My clientele is growing every day. I replace feelings of overwhelm with faith. I get emotional because every month is successful. Sorry. I get emotional because now in 2025, even 2024, 2023, 2022, every month is successful.